that is what we're hoping for.
This is real love. This is real love. This is real love.
Today we're going to be taking a look at the project boat. We picked this up just a few days ago. It is a 1984 Slingshot by Malibu. I believe it's a 15-foot boat is what it's, I'm pretty sure it's either 15 or it might be a little bit bigger than that. It's not a very wide boat. But yeah, like I said, it's 1984. As you can see, it is definitely a work in progress. We've already started messing with some of the wiring and stuff, trying to figure stuff out. So I figured we'll go, let's start up here actually with the trolling motor. So this is a Johnson trolling motor. It's actually pretty cool because we didn't think it was gonna work. All of this came as is, but we didn't think it was going to work, but we were able to hook it up to power, and it does actually work. Foot pedal and everything. It needs a new prop, and it could use a do-over with some paint, which goes for a lot of this stuff. But next we've got our first, we got a cleat. We've got our first compartment. This is technically set up to be a live well. They just have an anchor in here right now, but it's technically set up to be a live well. And you see a bunch of these like parts and stuff is because this actually came with a second boat motor. I just gotta go pick it up. The original boat motor was a Mercury. It has the trim and the controls and everything for it. I just didn't have room to get the boat motor with this, so we gotta go pick that thing up. This is the windshield that was on it. We took it off because we wanted to get a look at, if you come over here, we wanted to get a look at what the paint is supposed to look like. And it's actually like a smooth black gel coat with some sparkle in it, not this faded gray that you can see here. That's the faded gray. That's what it's supposed to be. So we're hoping we can wet sand it and get it back. We won't be able to get it back to the, you know, this exactly, but get it as close as we possibly can. This is a rod holder. It's got 4 rods, 4 rod holder, sorry. And this was, you know, put on by them. It had to be custom put on. We're looking at possibly relocating this, but yeah, as I go, I might as well go over what we want to do to it. All the hatches need to be replaced. So you have your hatch back here. That's where the batteries go. Has a spot for 2 batteries. Like I said, we're trying to figure out the wiring situation and stuff, and it's just dirty in here. We've had it for what, 3 days. It needs just new, just across the board, it needs new. The motor runs though. It's an 85 Johnson 4-cylinder. It runs, it starts up every time. I'll put in a clip of him running it right here. He ended up sending me this video. Boat motor runs. It's missing this side's vent. This hatch, once again, all the hatches need to be replaced. Gas tank, and this is technically, so this wiring is ran to the other side, but this technically is for the trolling motor, because there used to be a battery here that ran the trolling motor, and then a battery on the other side that ran the engine and controls and stuff. Needs new seats. It needs new rollers, so we need to do new rollers. Once again, this is another just hatch that actually reaches up into the nose of the boat, but then we have a little hatch there. We got 2 pedestals. This hatch is another live well, so there's 2 live wells. I think we'll leave this one for anchor and for storage and stuff, and turn that one, keep that one as a live well. Use this one for a lot of the storage compartments and stuff, as well as back to My guess is gonna be that they are 9/16.